Emma's busy and happy life. English story. Emma is a young woman. She lives in Berlin, Germany. She is 28 years old. Emma works in a small office in the city center. She loves her job because she likes working with people. Every morning, Emma wakes up at 7 a.m. She eats breakfast. Usually she has eggs, bread, and a cup of coffee. After breakfast, she takes a quick shower and gets dressed. Then, she takes the bus to her office. She always listens to music on the bus. Her favorite singer is Adele. At the office, Emma talks to her co-workers. She answers emails, makes phone calls, and sometimes has meetings with clients. Her boss, Mr. Brown, is a kind and friendly man. He always says, "Good morning, Emma," when she arrives. At noon, Emma has lunch with her best friend, Sarah. They usually eat sandwiches or salads and talk about their weekend plans. Emma loves weekends because she visits her family or goes shopping with her friends. After work, Emma often goes to the park near her home. She likes walking and listening to music. Sometimes she reads a book under a big tree. Emma loves books about adventure and travel. In the evening, she cooks dinner. Emma is a good cook. She can make pasta, chicken, and different kinds of salads. After dinner, she watches a movie or a TV series. Her favorite series is Friends because it is funny and relaxing. Emma's dream is to travel around the world. She wants to visit Italy, Japan, and Canada. She also wants to improve her English because she hopes to work in an international company one day. Emma is happy with her life. She works hard, spends time with her friends, and always finds time to do the things she loves. Emma's New Life. Part 2. Emma woke up early the next morning. The sun was shining through her window, and birds were singing in the trees. She stretched her arms and smiled. "Today is a new day," she whispered to herself. After breakfast, Emma decided to explore the park near her house. She loved the tall trees, the colorful flowers, and the sound of the little river that ran through the park. She took a book, a bottle of water, and her favorite sandwich with cheese and tomatoes. As she was walking, she saw a small, fluffy dog sitting alone on a bench. It had big brown eyes and a tiny blue collar. Emma looked around, but no one was nearby. She slowly walked to the dog and knelt down. "Hey there, little one," she said softly. The dog wagged its tail and licked her hand. Emma checked the dog's collar. It had a small tag with a name, Buddy. And there was a phone number. "Oh, you must be lost," Emma said kindly. She took out her phone and called the number. After a few seconds, a woman's voice answered. "Hello?" "Hi," Emma said. "I think I found your dog. His name is Buddy, right?" "Oh my goodness," the woman cried. Yes, that's Buddy. Where are you?" Emma gave her the address of the park, and 10 minutes later, a woman with short, curly hair came running. She hugged Buddy and thanked Emma again and again. "You are so kind," the woman said. "My name is Lucy. I was so worried." Emma smiled. "I'm happy I could help." Lucy looked at Emma and asked, "Would you like to come to my little cafe sometime? It's just around the corner. Free coffee and cake for you." Emma's face lit up. "I would love that." That afternoon, Emma went to Lucy's cafe. It was small and cozy, with pictures of old towns on the walls and the smell of fresh bread in the air. They sat by the window and talked for hours about their favorite books, travel dreams, and funny stories. For the first time since Emma moved to the city, she didn't feel lonely. And from that day, Emma and Lucy became great friends. Every Sunday, they met at the cafe, shared stories, and made new memories. Emma realized that sometimes a simple good deed can bring unexpected happiness and wonderful friendships.